Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I have something fun to share with y'all today. I cannot wait to get this. I got it actually a few days ago, but I've been waiting to share it with y'all, waiting to open it so I can show you guys what I got. So I was on TikTok and hold on guys, I'm getting on my bed because it's so big it won't fit on my little table. Okay, so I was on TikTok. I came across this video by someone I follow. Her name is Nail Art Queenie, and she had this container like this with boxes in it, and she was using it to store her stamping plates. And I was like, oh my god, that is an awesome idea. So I went straight to Amazon to look for something similar. She had got hers from Michael's, and I think she bought the stuff separate. I'm not exactly sure, but I found this all in one set on Amazon, and I got it on sale the day I found it. I think I paid about 20 bucks, 20 to 22. I can't remember. I'll have to look it up. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it. Oh, let me tell you guys what it is. Okay, let me turn it around. So this is what it is. It's actually a photo and craft keeper. So it includes 16 4x6-inch photo cases. It also comes in this container, so you guys can see the cases inside of here. So yeah, came in a huge box when it was delivered, and in this wrapping, plastic wrapping. I'm trying to get open with one hand. Hold on. Look at all this plastic. Holy moly. Hold on, guys. So this is what it looks like. Very cool. I like that it has different color containers. So breaking a nail. Okay. So lifts open, and we have all of these cool containers in here. I can't do it. These nails. Oh, there we go. Oh, okay, so it lifts off. I thought they would stay hinged like that, but that's okay. So that's how the containers are. And I think, I don't know, does it tell you how many pictures you can fit in it? No, it doesn't say. So put it back together here. So yeah, it comes with all of these containers, and I'm gonna take some out. So it has these slots in it so they can fit in there, which is good, so they won't move all around. Yeah, so it has all these containers. So what I wanted to do was I was thinking of using it for my my nail stickers, like my water slide decals, and stuff like that I have in an actual photo album. But they're kind of, some of the stickers are drying out because I've had them so long. So I thought maybe if I put them in plastic, that would keep them from, you know, not drying out so quickly, and just keep them in a better shape than they are in my photo album. So I'm going to take all that out and put them in here. And then I might go ahead and use a few of these for my stamp plates that will fit in here. I have a bunch of little small circle ones, and I do have some like square ones that are about this size that might fit in here good. So I'll be trying that. But I did also pick this up. So you guys seen, I think, did I show you guys this already? I can't remember, but I did pick this up that I was thinking about putting my stamp plates in. It was before I got this, and I got this at the Dollar Tree. And And I thought this would be good for putting my stamp plates in. If I don't use it for the plates, I'm going to use it for my my stampers and like my scraper cards, and maybe the stamp polish or something like that I'll put in here. We'll see. But yeah, I thought this was like a perfect container for that, and I like how it latches closed, so it'll stay in there good. And I think I showed you guys this one I picked up to put like my, you know, nail art brushes or nail files or something like that in. This one I also got from Dollar Tree. I showed you guys this one. This one I also picked up for nail art pins, files, cuticle stuff or whatever. I'm not sure yet, but I just want to do some organizing and have, you know, like stuff in one place where I can just get to everything. I'll know where it is. I can pull it out, and everything I need to be in one place. So, and I showed you guys this one. I'm going to put some stuff in here too. I've been meaning to go back and check to see if they have any more of these, because I can use a couple more of these containers. This is from Dollar Tree also. All of these are from Dollar Tree. But yeah, I cannot wait to go ahead and pull my stuff out and figure out what I'm going to do and put it in here. I thought this was going to be really, really, really fun to store my stuff in. And I like how it has a little handle. You can pick it up. Everything just stays right in place. It's color coded, so if I put something certain in there, I can put, you know, something in the yellow one, and I'll remember like, okay, my, you know, circle plates are in yellow, or, you know, whatever, color coded or something. But, and I'm gonna probably get some labels too, maybe label what's in each of them or something like that. I don't know yet, but yeah, I thought this was pretty cool. So yeah, again, I got this off of Amazon. If I don't forget, I'll put a link in the description box. If there is no link in the description box and you guys want to check this out, remind me, and I'll put the link in there. But I'll try to remember. I'll put the link in the description box. It went up in price though. The last time I looked, I think it was like 33 bucks. So it did go up from the time I bought it, but you know, Amazon fluctuates in price. Prices go up, it goes down. So yeah, I just have to keep an eye on it to see if it goes on sale. But yeah, so I just wanted to show you guys that really quick, my new little storage container for my nail art stuff. Yeah, and that's it, you guys. Thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video. So make sure you have your notifications on so you guys can see when I end up putting in my nail art storage box. All right, bye you guys.